Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue clear shampoo slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy no glue shampoo slime. So I haven't done a shampoo slime recipe in a little bit. I usually do soap slime recipes, but it has been requested from my channel to do an updated shampoo slime recipe. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shampoo, and I'm using this one by Pantene. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate, and I'm going to get adding in the Pantene. And Pantene, this one is so thick. You can already see from like putting it into the bowl how thick it is. So I'm just going to add about that much into there. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to get out my mixing tool, and I'm going to get mixing it together. So Pantene is super thick, and you can already tell from already mixing it how thick it is. So I'm just going to mix this up for about really a minute because I want to get it super bubbly in there, and so it will be able to form actual slime. So let's get mixing it. So that is enough mixing, as you can see. And here is the consistency already, so you can see it's touchable, but it's still sticking to me, and you don't want that. So what you're going to do now is you're actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and you're going to take it out every 30 minutes and mix it up. And I'll show you guys the final slime when it's done. Okay, so it's been around 2 hours, and here is the slime. And the soap got everywhere because I've been mixing it like every 30 minutes, and I'm going to see how it turned out now. And I can tell that the soap got much thicker than it was before. Yeah, you can definitely tell that. Also, sorry if you hear any noises. My neighbors, they're working on their house, and like it's really loud. But this recipe actually turned out pretty well considering it came from just shampoo. And I can already tell it's sticky because I feel like I should have left it in the refrigerator for a little bit long. But Pantene makes slime, which is really cool. And I'm gonna tap it. And you can see it formed slime. It's just really sticky right now, which I feel like is kind of sad, but I'm actually going to try playing with it a little bit and seeing if it gets not so sticky. Yes, but this recipe definitely worked out really well. It is sticky, but it did make the soap much thicker by putting it into the refrigerator for about 2 hours and mixing it every 30 minutes. But I like this recipe a lot, and I hope you guys try it out because all you need is shampoo, and I used Pantene, and it worked super, super well. And here's an up close of the actual soap slime that I made. This one isn't so sticky, it's still sticking to me, but it turned out pretty well, and you can see it did get foggy a bit from all the mixing. But this recipe turned out really awesome, and I hope you guys do try it out. And if you try it out, please put in the comments down below if you liked it, because I like this recipe a lot, and I really hope you guys liked it too. But yeah, also remember to check out all my social medias. My TikTok, I post so many TikToks on there. My Instagram, everything else is all in the description down below. Also my Roblox, I play Roblox a lot with you guys. So go check it out. But yeah, bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!